TFNN. Headline News Update.
Welcome, folks. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in St. Petersburg, Florida, 12 noon Eastern Time, middle of the trading day on Friday, and quite a market we have. Starting things off, we have the Dow currently up 628 points, trading at 23,314. S&P is currently positive by 70 points, or almost 2.9%, trading at 2518, and the NASDAQ up 242 points. You have the NASDAQ currently trading at 6705, up 3.75%. To put that NASDAQ on your chart, there it was. Not that long ago. You're talking about last night at about 7 p.m. Eastern Time. You have the NASDAQ trading at a low of 6150, no, even lower than that, 6142. And we are now approaching 300 points above that level as you at trading 64.16. Jumping over to some of the futures charts, we'll start things off with the Dow. We got quite an acceleration, and why not? We'll jump over to a couple of the headlines right now. You had Powell speaking today, and he talked about that they are going to be flexible with policy and that the Fed balance sheet reduction might not be on autopilot. The market really liked that. And we also had this morning, 8:30 a.m., job growth, non-farm payrolls, 312,000, and both of those showing up on the chart. So here's 8:30. The fun begins with that non-farm payroll. We trade higher, and there is the volatility on Chairman Powell speaking. The market continues that uptrend. Dow trading 23,297. NASDAQ 100. Almost highs within the last 10 minutes, 6404. Early this morning before the jobs number, we were down at 6241. So you're talking about 160 points from just where we were trading at 8:30 this morning. S&P is trading at 2518. We got as high as about 2524 earlier in the session. Crude oil with some volatility to the upside, pulling back a bit. We traded as high as 49.21. Then you spike down lower all the way to 47.64, currently back above 48.13. Gold with volatility along with the market, of course. The Fed driving some of that action. You had gold trading at about 950 this morning at 1278. That was down from almost 1300, not almost, 1300 last night, Thursday night. And from there, we're back at 1286, and euro volatility as well. We saw the euro spike higher, dollar spike lower on Fed Chairman Powell. When he started to talk, you get the euro trading at 114.085. Stay tuned, folks. We got a man, Basil Chapman, coming up right now with the Tiger Technicians Hour. And then we'll have Basil again live from 3 till 4, filling in for the Tom O'Brien Show. Stay tuned. Basil coming up right now.